Y'all, we're gonna be doing some smash burgers and we're gonna be doing some pub style burgers using that new Ninja Sizzle. All right, for the smash burgers, we're using the griddle plate. And for those big old grilled pub burgers, we're gonna use the grill plate. Trust me, you guys aren't gonna wanna miss this one. And real quick, put the comments down below. You team smash burger or team grilled pub burger? Let me know, all right? Come on down to the Sizzle station. I think I'm gonna keep that through everything, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. Got the griddle plate in there first off. We have our sizzle, baby. We're using the griddle. Now, this recommends 325 for the temperature. I'm gonna blow that up. We're gonna go to 500. We want our smash burgers to hit that griddle and get that good sear, so we get that good Maillard reaction. This Ninja Sizzle isn't very fancy. We have like an analog dial. We're just gonna turn this all the way up. Gonna take about 7 minutes or so to preheat. You know it's working because the light is on. We'll keep track of the time, and then we'll come back and get them onions on, and then we'll start getting the burgers done. Y'all, we were preheated. I'm gonna throw a little avocado oil down. This is just gonna help the cooking process on the onions. Our onions on. Just let these saute up a bit. We're gonna add a little of our Uncle Steve's shake, Lucky Shake. We're gonna use this on the burgers too. Come on back when these are done, and we'll put the burgers on. Our onions are done. Let's get those off. Get them aside. Time to get these smash burgers on. Make sure you got enough room in between them. Add a little shake or a lot. And again, we're using the Lucky Shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. Give it a couple seconds. And I'm gonna smash them down with my patented seasoning press and spatula. Hear that sizzle, baby? All right, last one over here. These are gonna go super fast. Come back, we'll give them a flip. You can tell these are finishing up. You see that gray climbing up the sides and the juice is running on top. Time to give them a flip. There we go. Got some great color on these bad boys. Let's get some cheese on them. All right, since I'm the only one that likes onions, I'm just gonna put it on my burger. And we're doubling these bad boys up. They gotta compete with the pub burgers. We got some bacon that I've already cooked. Throw that on. All right, these burgers are done. Let's stack them up and we'll take a bite. I'm gonna go ahead and turn these off. Put these on top of each other here. So we have the onions on there, bacon hanging out. Got ourselves a bun. Cap that bad boy. And there we go. Perfect smash burger. Team, the smash burgers are done. We've removed that griddle plate and replaced it with the grill plate. Now we're gonna work on those pub burgers. We'll try them both at the end. It's gonna go pretty quickly, so don't stress about that. On the pub burger, we're gonna use what Ninja recommends for the temperature for the grill plate. That's 325. So we're gonna go ahead and preheat it again. It probably won't take as long to come up because we just had it maxed out for the griddle and the smash burgers, right? Let's go ahead and get this fired up. We're gonna use the same seasoning, the same onions on it, same cheese, the whole bit. It's gonna be a thick old burger, okay? We're gonna cook that burger to about 150 internal, and we'll be using our Lightning instant read thermometer. Never leave home without it. Link down below if you want to get yourself one. Let's get these pub burgers on. Okay, we're gonna turn this to 325. Each of the little notches on there are 25 degrees, so it makes it real easy to see where you're at. 325, we're good to go. We'll let it come up to temp, and we'll start grilling off those hamburgers. We got our grill up to temperature right now. We got our burgers, big old thick pub burgers. These have already been seasoned with the Lucky Shake. Let's get them on. Here we go. Get that sizzle, baby. We're gonna let these go for about 2 minutes and then give them a flip. And then we'll flip back and forth as needed, you know, every minute or so after that. Again, we're gonna take these to 150 internal and we'll use our instant read to make sure we're good there. I don't mind a little pink in my burger, but I, want it cooked. So this is not like a steak where I go medium rare. Cool? All right, come on back down when we flip them. Time to give these bad boys a flip. Go, looking nice. Got a great sear on the top. Now we'll work on getting the bottom cooked, and we'll keep turning as we need to. We give it another flip. We're gonna cook these until those juices start running clear. And then we'll check those temps, make sure it's at 150 at least. Then we'll take them off and make that burger. Y'all, let's check temps. We're almost at 160. We're looking good over there. 153. All right, let's get some cheese on there, get it melting. This one is just gonna be with cheese. This one's gonna have the onions on. So we're gonna throw the cheese on. And the person getting the burger on the left don't want anything on it. So we're gonna tic-tac-toe a couple pieces more bacon on there. Since these burgers are gonna be so big and juicy, we're gonna go ahead and toast these buns up real quick. That way they can hold up to the extra juice that's gonna come off these burgers. All right, bun was toasted. Got our burger built. Let's dig into them, huh? What do you say? We are done. We got our big old pub burger right there. And we got our double smash burger right there. Again, in the comments, what team are you on, smash burger or pub burger? We'll take a bite of the pub burger first. I forgot a napkin. Use the apron. All right, looking good. I'll tell you what, that was a pretty damn good burger. All right, let's see how that smash burger stacks up. All right, cheers, y'all. Yep. I can't decide. Both are excellent. I'm not gonna declare a winner. They're both freaking awesome. All right, you got good seasoning, simple ingredients, and if you're skipping that American cheese, you're out of your mind. It is perfect. It is the best cheese for a burger, and I'll go down swinging on that one, guys. All right, guys. I love an experiment like that where I get two big old burgers. Lunch is gonna be tasty today. All right. If you guys want to get yourself one of these Ninja Sizzles, sizzle, baby. I gotta do it every time. I have to say sizzle. I just can't help it. Anyway, if you want to get yourself one of these, links down below. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost anything more to use, and it helps out the channel. Guys, these are a very inexpensive indoor grill and griddle, okay? It does not have all the bells and whistles. And also, if I had been just cooking for myself, I would have shut that lid quite a bit more because there was a fair amount of splatter around the counter, okay, just because I was cooking those burgers, had the camera on, all that stuff. So if you cook with that lid open, you're doing something kind of greasy like these burgers, you're probably gonna get a little bit of mess around it. Nothing a Lysol wipe won't take care of, but you know, still something you gotta deal with. Okay, let's keep that in mind. If you want to get anything else I use in my videos, from knives, cutting boards, merch, filming equipment, whatever, links are all down below. If you want to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that, you know, probably would have a fist fight about whether they like a pub burger or a smash burger, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button so you can join in on that fight. Sorry, I come up with this stuff every time. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.